How to enable or disable function FN keys on Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, on your keyboard, search for FN key. FN key is located on bottom left corner of your screen. If it's normal keyboard, search it on keyboard. You'll find ESC on top left. Simply click on FN and then together click on ESC. After that, if your FN key is disabled, it will be enabled. If you want to enable it, simply click on FN and ESC. Do the same thing for enabling and disabling. That's how to enable or disable function FN keys on Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.